So CP minus a NSM KGP, we will be copying everything that is present inside NSM KGP. So star. Then the
dot tar file. Okay.
So I will recommend test users one, please, you can try this, okay? After he has shown, not now. So
Okay.
first you will be going to Scratch, okay? Please verify you are in Scratch by seeing PWD. In Scratch there is NSM KJP folder. Write down CP minus R is for copying folders, and NSM KJP slash and do NSM KJP star. So we will be copying everything that is inside NSM KJP. Then do start, then space. Then we will be copying this into the folder that we have created. So basically your name. So here, okay, just yeah, do.
So earlier you made an empty directory.
Just show if it is copied or not. Just.
That's what I'm saying. Earlier you created one empty directory. Let's say it was Anurag 14. So if you go inside Anurag 14, all the contents are copied over here. This is just Control C and Control V command that you usually do with the mouse.
Yeah. So this is so those who were not able to make a folder in Scratch.
I have copied the contents of NSM. Whatever is there inside the NSM KGP, I have copied everything inside my folder. That's it.
So test users one, please try this. Okay. And test users one, those who test user one, those who have created their folders at home. Okay. Please change the locations in that way. So here.
So whatever.
Okay, like how many test user one? How many test user one?
Files were
please raise your hand.
Right.
Okay, just you can you try it? Can you just see? Done, right?
And then
okay. So please.
Copied it into. Right. So whatever things are there inside this NSM KGP have been transferred into an Anurag 14. Contents of this, not this folder. Contents of this. If you want that folder, don't go inside like just do this. Don't put a slash and dot, then select everything. Just use this folder name, right? And specify the destination. So it will copy the entire folder. You go inside Anurag 14. This is what it will, right? If you put forward slashes, you can select all the particular contents. If there is another further content, you can go slash by slash and then enter into a directory and copy the contents.
Test user one, are you able to copy? For test user 2, 3, 4, if this folder is present in your if NSM KGB is present, you can do this. If it is not present, we will be copying it in the break time. Okay.
For the other users, we will be again demonstrating how to copy it. Don't worry, I have not copied all the contents in all the accounts. This is for demonstration purpose in the test user one. If you are able to do it, kindly raise your hand for test users one only.
Yeah, test users ones, please raise your hand. Those who are able to do. Those who are not able to do, please raise your hand for test user one. Okay.
Okay. You want to go back one step behind, right? So, yeah, you can just go where you are at present. PWD. You are in, okay. You are in Sonia 3. So go one step behind and do LS. So you are just able to see NSM KGP, right? Now you can execute that command.
Any doubts till now? Okay, then we can break for the lunch session. Meanwhile, we'll be copying for test user 2345. The NSM KJP folder will be copied. Then you will just copy the files to your own folder that you have created. Then in the lab sessions, we will show once more in the lab session. Okay, so we can break for lunch now. Thank you.
Hello, excuse me. Hello, excuse me. Excuse me.